Students, today we will see what is Apollonius theorem and how to prove that theorem. Okay. Now, in Apollonius theorem, we have got a triangle ABC. Okay. We have got triangle ABC. Okay. Now, we are taking the midpoint of BC, that is M. That means AM is the median, right? Now, since M is the median, what does it mean? It will divide BC into two equal parts. That means BM is equal to MC, that you are knowing it. Okay. Now, what is the statement of the theorem says? In triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of BC, then AB square plus AC square equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Listen very carefully. This is one of the important theorem which everyone you should know without any doubts. Now you see, if ABC is a triangle and AM is the median, then what will be the result? AB square plus AC square equal to 2 times of AM square plus 2 times of BM square, or here you can write CM square also, because both BM and CM is equal. Okay, now how to prove, I will tell you. Now, given, what is given to you? In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint, right? Therefore, AM is the median, right? Now, construction. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Very simple construction we have done. We have written what is given to you. ABC is a triangle and M is the midpoint. Therefore, we have written AM is the median. Now, we have drawn a perpendicular from A to the side BC, right? So, AD is an altitude, right? Now, case 1. Suppose AM is not perpendicular to BC. Look at this very carefully. Here you see this AM appears to be not 90 degree. Agreed or not? Yes. See here, AD is 90 degree. So, the median AM is not perpendicular. That means it is not 90 degree. That means it will be either less than 90 degree or greater than 90 degree. That means this angle, in these two angles, one angle will be obtuse angle and another will be acute angle. Acute angle means what? Whose measure should be less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means what? Whose measure should be more than 90 degree. Now, for example, this I am taking, see, that means out of AMB and angle AMC, one angle is acute and the other angle will be obtuse. Agreed or not? Yes. So one is acute and another is obtuse angle. Now listen very carefully. What about the triangle? Therefore, triangle ABM is an acute angle triangle. Now look at this triangle ABM. It is clearly looking, it is an acute angle triangle. Okay. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, on acute angle triangle, see, if you are having acute angle triangle and if you want to apply Pythagoras theorem, that result will be like this. So ABM, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square minus 2BM into DM. That is equation number 1. Okay. Now look at this. Now also BM equal to MC. BM equal to MC. Okay. Now look at the other angle. What about this triangle AMC? It is an obtuse angle triangle. It is an obtuse angle triangle. Here, triangle AMC is an obtuse angle triangle. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? AC square equal to AM square plus MC square plus 2MC into DM. This is equation number 3. See, this result we got. This result we got by applying which theorem? Pythagoras theorem for acute angle triangle. Now we have got this result for this triangle AMC by applying the same theorem. Okay. Now look at this here, MC, MC. But what happened to MC? You can write BM. So equation 3 becomes AC square equal to AM square plus, what is MC? BM. BM square plus 2BM into DM. 2BM into DM. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now what I will do? I will add equation 1 and 4. What will happen? Add equation 1 and 4. We will add equation 1 and 4. Adding two equation means what? You add left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. Okay, so here what is there? AB square. Here what is there? AC square equal to AM square plus BM square minus 2BM DM plus AM square plus BM square plus 2BM DM. See, this will get cancelled. Therefore, AB square plus AC square equal to, see, AM square how many times? 2AM square plus 2BM square. This is what you call Apollonius theorem. Now what happened is, Now we have taken this AM is not a perpendicular. Suppose AM is a perpendicular. What will happen? Case 2. Case 2. Suppose AM is perpendicular to BC. See here. Correct? We'll have to change the diagram little bit. A, B, C. This is, yeah. So, suppose AM is perpendicular to DC. Then see here, look at this, you have got two right angle triangle. What are they? AMB. Therefore, triangle AMB and triangle AMC are right triangle. So, right triangle means which property will use? Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in triangle AMB, angle AMB equal to 90 degree, right? This triangle. Therefore, Pythagoras theorem, therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, apply it. Hypotenuse square. AB square equal to AM square plus BM square. Equation number 1. Now again, in triangle AMC also, AMC equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this also we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AM square plus MC square. Now look at this. M is the midpoint of BC. Correct? Therefore, since M is the midpoint of BC, BM equal to MC. 3. Okay. Now, BM equal to MC. Using BM equal to MC in equation 2, what we will get? AC square equal to AM square plus what is MC? BM. Now, as usual, we will add these two equations, adding 1 and 4. Left hand side with left hand side. AB square plus AC square equal to AM square plus BM square plus AM square plus BM square. Therefore, AB square plus AC square equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. So, we have proved Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem means what? AB square plus AC square equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square, provided AM is the median to the side BC. This is the theorem. So, now I will recall it. We have got one triangle, fine. We have got median to one side BC. Then that BC divide the whole triangle into two triangles. One is obtuse, another is acute angle triangle. So, for acute angle triangle, we used Pythagoras theorem. We have got one equation. Then for obtuse angle also, we have used application of Pythagoras theorem. We got another equation. And again, that BM is equal to MC because M is the midpoint. So, by using those property or the three equation, we got AB square plus AC square equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. That was the case 1. Now case 2 is what? M is the midpoint also, that means M is the median as well as it is perpendicular to BC. In that case, we have got two right angle triangle. So use Pythagoras theorem immediately for both the triangles. You add both, then you have got the same result. So hence we proved Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem is very important theorem which we will be using very often in mathematical applications and scientific applications also. So you have to understand the theorem and where we are going to apply, and you practice it at home, it will become very easy for you. Okay, right.